I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel, Sai Tech Review. So finally friends, I'm going to unbox the new router which I did receive. The reason why I did order this kind of TP-Link router is because of the iQOO smartphones. So let me to explain friends why. Because of only the iQOO phones I did order the new router, because in the iQOO phones it was unable to detect my old router which I am using currently. So the TP-Link speeds, as you can see friends, I'm getting only 72 Mbps of detection. As you can see friends, if your router is kind of old type style router, so now you will be able to see it properly. As you can see, 72 Mbps only. Let me try to show you the Realme X8 Max. This is the Realme X8 Max, and in the MI Linux device OnePlus Nord I did not have this kind of problems. So these phones were enough to recognize the 150 Mbps of speeds, as you can see friends clearly. And this makes a lot of difference in terms of the speeds while downloading and while testing. It's really difficult for me as well every time. So because of that reason, mainly because of these two iQOO smartphones, I completely changed my router itself friends to the new upgrade version. And this has got the 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz. So now we should be experiencing some kind of high speeds, and now I'll be able to test a lot of other interesting download tests as well. This is the exact router which I did order, as you can see friends. So 1599 price, as you can see. So let's see friends what will be the inside box contents. And thank you for this iQOO phones. Because of iQOO phones I was able to buy the new router, otherwise I'll be able to use only the old one is perfectly fine. So no other phones has this kind of problem friends, only these two iQOO phones has this kind of problem, this kind of issue. And I did not experience with the premium end smartphones in terms of the iQOO 7 device. I did not expect this kind of thing. And I did order from the Amazon. From Amazon, I did not get any kind of box or anything. I just got in the plastic completely in the transparent cover, and there's only one sticker which is Amazon. That's it. There is no complete production at all. This is a complete package I got delivered from the deliver guy. So let's see what will be the test results after I try to use this kind of new router. I'll try to use plenty of testings. I'll try to compare with other smartphones as well in terms of the speed test and download test and lot of other different testings which I'm trying to do. As you can see friends, this is the exact box. This is how it looks, everything. Ready to take out this plastic and everything on the plastic, and this is the exact TP-Link router which I did order, as you can see friends. So AC750. So finally it did arrive after a long time. I did order I think couple of weeks back, and because of the delivery issues it got cancelled, and again I ordered from the Amazon. It got cancelled from the Flipkart, and again I ordered from the Amazon. Right now today it got delivered. So let's see friends what will happen, what are the inside box contents. And I'm really excited to do the testing, particularly with the iQOO phones, whether this router will be helping me or not. If not, I need to return it and I need to buy another router. But let's see, hopefully this should be kind of fixing the issues. And make sure to comment below friends, what are your thoughts about this router? Is it good or not? So do let me know in the comments below. And let's see what will be the box contents inside as well. I thought of ordering the high-end kind of Wi-Fi router, but in the beginning, so I thought of not spending much money because I need to buy a lot of other phones as well. So that is the reason I'm trying to save. So try to use my links friends in the description below to buy any of the products from the Amazon, and that will definitely help me to buy more and more phones, and I can review plenty of other comparisons for you all. So just try to use my links, universal link you can use from Amazon link, and you can buy any product. That will definitely help me. So this is a complete product unboxing, as you can see friends. So we did get this kind of color router. It is completely a blue color we got here, and with I think 3 antennas should be there. So right now the router which I have got, it has got only one antenna friends, so which I'm using for the past I think 5 years of time. So from 5 years I'm using the old router, and after 5 years there's a I think slightly kind of big upgrade. So this is a adapter which we got in the box. So this is a normal 3-pin plug type style, and next we do have this kind of cable as well, Ethernet type cable. In case if you want you can use that, and there's some kind of manual how to start and everything, all the procedure. So I'll try to set up this kind of router, and I'll be back, and I'll try to compare with the same thing. I'll be first testing on the iQOO phones particularly. So definitely I'll test in this both iQOO devices mainly using this new router. So make sure to stay tuned for those more updates friends, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. And this is the reason why I bought the new router, just because of the iQOO phones only. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.